Sitting beautifully on a desk nearby is the errofluid lamp, and this is one of those gadgets that genuinely stops people mid-conversation. Inside a clear glass orb sits real NASA-developed magnetic liquid, the same technology originally designed to control rocket fuel in zero gravity. When music plays nearby, the fluid comes alive, forming spikes, waves, and organic shapes that respond directly to every beat and bass drop. The sound-reactive models pick up ambient noise from the room without any connection needed. There are no speakers inside, just pure hypnotic visual movement that reacts to whatever is playing around it. On a gaming desk, beside a speaker, or on a nightstand during a late-night playlist session, this lamp turns audio into something you can actually watch. It is genuinely one of the most visually satisfying things you can own right now.
For the person who wants their next backyard battle to feel like something from a science fiction film, the Gel Blaster Gauntlet changes the whole game. Strap the robotic arm onto your wrist, fill the hopper with water gel balls, and squeeze the grip trigger for full auto-firing at 7 rounds per second out to 50 feet of range. The gel balls are non-toxic, biodegradable, and sting just enough to let you know you were hit without causing any real harm. Some versions feature articulated fingers you can pose into different positions, and a phone rail mount for augmented reality gameplay modes. It looks like something Tony Stark would throw on in a hurry, and it genuinely turns a casual garden session into a full tactical operation. Staying in the realm of things that glow and impress, the lighting Katana is one of those accessories that does not need a special occasion to justify owning. The LED blade illuminates fully at the press of a button, running on a rechargeable battery that provides around 90 minutes of glowing use per charge. Anime-inspired versions capture the exact look of iconic swords from Demon Slayer and other fan-favorite shows, and they come with display stands and adjustable belts for wearing at events. At night, in a dark room, or lit up at a convention, this katana photographs and films beautifully. It is a display piece, a costume accessory, and a genuine conversation starter, all built into one elegant, glowing sword.
The Anbernic RG406V handheld console is what happens when someone decides that portable retro gaming deserves to be taken seriously. This vertical pocket console runs a powerful 8-core processor with 8GB of RAM, a crisp 4-inch screen at 960 by 720 resolution, and Android 13 for full app access. It handles PlayStation 2, GameCube, PSP, Dreamcast, and every older console with smooth playable performance. The 5500 mAh battery stretches to 8 hours of continuous play. Hall effect joysticks eliminate drift. The design is chunky in the most comfortable way possible, fitting naturally in larger hands during long sessions. For anyone who carries nostalgia in their pocket and wants every classic game ready within seconds, this console delivers exactly that. The dual lightsaber takes the lightsaber experience and doubles it in the most dramatic way possible. 2 glowing blades extend from both ends of a single hilt, just like Darth Maul's legendary weapon, and the result is something that makes every room it enters feel like a battle scene. Entry-level sets include 2 connectable sabers with motion-sensitive sound effects and full LED glow. Premium versions use NeoPixel technology with 27 sound fonts, flash-on-clash effects, app control, and aerospace-grade aluminum hilts built for real dueling. Spinning the staff overhead produces sounds that are genuinely cinematic. For collectors, cosplayers, and Star Wars fans who have always wanted to feel like a Sith Lord, this is the definitive purchase. For content creators and anyone who records video regularly, the Video Face Tracker is the hands-free filming assistant that removes every frustration from the process. The built-in AI camera tracks your face and body automatically, rotating 360 degrees to keep you perfectly centered in frame without any app, Bluetooth connection, or manual adjustment. The 2200 mAh battery runs for 6 to 8 hours continuously. Gesture control lets you start and stop tracking with a simple hand movement from up to 10 feet away. Compatible with every major platform including TikTok, Instagram, Zoom, and YouTube Live, this tracker turns any phone into a professional follow camera that works completely on its own. Gaming on a phone always felt like a compromise until the mobile gaming gadget changed that permanently. Controllers like the GameSir G8 Galileo snap directly onto your smartphone and deliver the full console gaming experience with Nanyar, anti-drift joysticks, analog triggers, pass-through charging, and a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones. The USB-C wired connection eliminates Bluetooth lag entirely. Xbox Game Pass, Steam Link, and virtually every mobile game become playable at a genuinely competitive level. Carrying one of these in a bag alongside your phone means you have a capable gaming console available at all times without the extra weight. The mug warmer is the simplest gadget on this list, and somehow one of the most appreciated by anyone who uses it daily. Plug it into a USB port on your laptop or an adapter, place your mug on the heated surface, and your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate stays at your preferred drinking temperature for as long as you want. 3 heat settings, an 8-hour auto shut-off, and a waterproof surface make it completely low maintenance. The problem of walking back to a cold cup after 5 minutes of focused work disappears permanently. For cat owners, the interactive cat game toy solves the guilt of leaving your cat alone for hours. Motorized feathers, butterfly attachments, and trackballs create unpredictable automated play sessions that engage hunting instincts without any human involvement. Auto shut-off protects the battery while keeping sessions naturally paced. The pet trolley lets small pets join outdoor adventures in total comfort inside a ventilated rolling carrier that doubles as a backpack and suitcase-style trolley for travel flexibility. And the Duo bottle carries 2 completely separate drinks inside one container, keeping water and coffee, or juice and protein shake, totally divided with their own straws until you decide which one you want.